Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, today I want to share a very important trick, so stay tuned and watch the video. Sometimes what happens, we want to send a documents or a file or want to share the picture. Some of our friends take the pictures and then we ask him to share. Now few people have Android, few people have iPhone, some are using laptop or PC. So how to send the pictures without losing the resolution? If we send it through the WhatsApp, the resolution really gets diminished and the pictures are not clear. So what we can do, I'll tell you a very important and a easy way, and that's free. So what you need to do, simply you need to click on your Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using in your mobile phone. I'm using Samsung internet, so I'm just opening it, and then you need to write here WeTransfer. After you type WeTransfer, this website will open. So in this website, it's up on you whether you want to sign up or you just want to send the selected file, document, anything you want to, pictures, whatever you want to send. So for example, I recommend to sign up, because when you sign up, your whole work is at one place and you can see what files have you transferred previously. So to sign up, it's a very simple step, so I will tell you. You simply need to click here. So just click on sign up, and then it will ask you for billing, but we want the free one. Up to 2 GB you can do it freely, so I think 2 GB is enough for us. So simply click on create account. After you click on create account, then they say continue with Google, so simply we'll click on continue with Google. We all have Google accounts, so just select your account. If you are already using some account in your mobile phone, just use that. Otherwise you can click, there's an option use another account, so you can use this account and sign up. I have already account, so I'll just simply click on that. After clicking it, since it was already saved in the mobile phone, so you can see here my avatar appears, my picture appear here. But if you have not, you want to sign up with a different mobile, they might ask you your name and few information that you can simply enter. So now we are on this option, send a file. So now I want to send the file, so I'll simply click on the send the file, and then they say upload file, so I'll click on upload files. After I click it, I can either choose a camera and take the picture, but usually we want to send the stuff which we have already done, and that's in our gallery or somewhere. So I'll simply click on this option, files. So after clicking on files, what will happen, I'll get all the folders here. So I can choose any folder, any document, anything you want. So for example, I want to upload few pictures, send to my friends. So just keep and hold, so it will give you an option of selecting. Otherwise, if you simply click, it will select only that picture. So if you want multiple, you need to click and hold on that, like I'm doing, and then you can select multiple pictures. So let me choose few pictures from here. These are all the pictures I have taken on my mobile. So okay, so now I've selected all the picture, 9 pictures. Now you need to click on this option, select. So simply I'll click on select. Now all the files are here. Now simply I'll click on next. After next, we have two options. If you want to send an email, these picture you want to send email, but I don't want email, I want a link. This is a preferable option for me, get a link. So I can even send this link to an email or WhatsApp or whatever I want to do. So I'll just click on get a link. Now it will transfer all the data, and it will take a while to upload all the data. The speed is very fast when I'm uploading these pictures, so it will be done rapidly. Now it's 99%. Now it's done. It's written that you are done, copy a downloaded link. So simply now I'll click on copy link. Now my link is copied. Now what will I do? I can email this link, I can WhatsApp, whatever I want to do, I can do it. So simply I'll open my WhatsApp and I'll send my this link, and after clicking here paste, now this link is sent. So if you want to email or whatever you want to do, you can send this link, and then when the person will click on this window will open, and that person can easily see the files here. So for example, you are sending 50 pictures or 20 pictures or 30 pictures, and this is valid for a week. So easily a person, if a person does not have time on that day, he can do it the next day. And you see all the pictures are here, and the good thing is that the pictures are not only in small thumbnails form, or it's not in just written text. It's clearly the image is visible, so a person can just see the image, and then he can easily download it. If for example I want to download this particular picture, so I'll just click on this, and then download will start. You can see here that the download is started, and very rapidly it downloaded. So if I click here, and you see, if I zoom it, you see the resolution is very crisp and clear. And if you do the same thing in WhatsApp, you know the result is pathetic and the resolution diminishes. And one more option here you have, that is you can download the whole bunch of photos. If you want to download all the photos, so simply click here, and then now you see it started downloading. So all the pictures will be downloaded in one place. But one thing you need to keep in mind, that it will be in zip format. So if the files are in zip format, obviously you need to extract the file. But don't worry, it's a very simple and easy method that I am going to tell you. So once it's downloading, you simply click on this. After you click it, from the Play Store, see this Z Archiver. Just download this file extractor. This is free, and there are so many other free. Or you can use your file explorer. Nowadays most of the file explorer built in your mobile phone they are able to extract the zip files. So just I'm clicking on my files, and then you see these are all the files. I click on extract. It will ask me the path, so I just click on extract. Now you see all the images are here. So if I open it, you see these all images are here. And the important thing is, if I zoom it, you see it's very clear. Even it was in zip format, but when I extract it, it came in the original format. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, as I upload informative videos every week, and I have done a lot of research, and then I share all these stuff. So stay tuned and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.